Morning guys, welcome back. Look. I passed my IAM. So I am now officially an advanced rider, apparently. Today I have decided to take the bike out with its new exhaust. Nice little Race Pro exhaust down there. I haven't been able to get on it yet, so today will be my first ride. I can tell you what I think of it, how it sounds, and hopefully I better get some flybys with you as well. I just need to find somewhere where, one, the roads are pretty quiet, and two, no one's going to nick my camera. So, got myself sorted out, and off we go. Welcome back guys. I'm just going to say now that I'm a little bit in love with this exhaust, especially when you hit the magic RPM of 5,000 RPM. Oh my god. I mean, I love this bike anyway, but putting that exhaust on it has literally changed everything about this bike. It sounds like it should sound. I'll put the visor up. Hopefully it's not going to be too windy for you, but hopefully you'll be able to hear the amazing sound I'm hearing currently. 2 seconds. Well, I can't actually see very much, but hopefully it's not too windy. I couldn't see nothing, so but I hope you heard that, because that is orgasmic. The exhaust does exactly what I want it to do. I mean, I'm sitting here currently, what, 57 miles an hour? I haven't got earplugs in, and I can't hear it, and that's exactly what I wanted. I wanted to be able to cruise along at 60 miles an hour quite happily when I go on tours, when I want to have fun, and I want to open it up. 5,000 RPM, right? Oh! Anyway, I know some of you might think I was absolutely mental to put a sort of lesser known brand of exhaust, or hardly ever known brand of exhaust on the bike and taking the Acro off, but I mean, I do not regret this one little bit. The Acros are really good exhausts, don't get me wrong. It didn't give me the sound that I wanted from the bike. This little bad boy, this Pro Race exhaust, is spot on. I'm a little bit in love. One happy customer, Pro Race. You have one happy customer. Right, I'm going to find something to pull over, set my camera up, do a few flybys for you. So, I'll speak to you in a bit. How good does that sound? Amazing. Come with me. I'm well pleased with that. Well pleased. Good old Pro Race exhaust. What I didn't realise was I was in road mode on the engine mapping. Put it into dynamic and it's Even better. Even better. Anyway, I'm going to put you back on here and we'll go for a little ride. Yes guys, that is exactly the sound that I wanted. It is perfect. Like I said, if I turn it to road mode, it actually quietens the exhaust down a little bit. So when I'm off touring and stuff, I'll put it onto road mode and I'll be able to hear it. I mean, I can hear it now. It's dynamic, which is fine. But on the tours and stuff like that, I can just switch it to road mode and I'm well away. See, why doesn't Akrapovic make exhaust like that? And don't forget, this has still got all the headers, the standard headers, the cat on it. I mean, God, I don't know how loud it would be if I didn't have all that on it. It was just straight through. It'd probably be unbearable. But as it stands, it is spot on. See, I've just put the bike back into road mode and I can't hear the exhaust again. And like I said, I can sort of hear it. It's definitely quieter than it was when it was in dynamic. One thing I do want to test out though is like for a town. See how loud it is for a town just putting along. The only problem is it's Friday afternoon. Everyone finishes work early and traffic is atrocious. As you see at the beginning of the video, I have my certificate for my IAM, which means I passed. I am now an advanced rider, apparently. I've said in my other videos that there is an end goal to me doing that. I did it for a reason. I'm not going to mention what the reason is just yet, but hopefully beginning of next month that will become more apparent. Wheels are in motion with that, things are happening, so hopefully I'll be able to bring that to you. While I'm on that subject, I thought I would just give you my opinion of the IAM and do I think it's worth doing if you haven't got an end goal, you just want to do a bit more training. My answer to that would be yeah, I don't see any reason why you wouldn't want to do it. I mean, except the fact that as of I think this month, April, the price goes up from £150 to £179 I think, which if I'm honest is too much money. £179. I mean, don't get me wrong, you don't technically pay for your lessons. I mean, with the instructor I had, he said I can either put towards his fuel, they say about £10, or I buy the teas and coffees. So obviously I bought the teas and coffees and cakes, because obviously we always stopped at a cafe at the end of our lesson, so always got a coffees in, or hot chocolate for me, because you know I love hot chocolate. So yeah, £179 is quite expensive. But that being said, you do learn some good stuff. I mean, I don't know, I'm not going to sit here and teach you how to ride IAM at all, because that wouldn't be fair, because I'm not an instructor and I don't want to give tough information. But obviously they teach you about limit points, they teach you about IPSCA, which is information, position, speed, gear, acceleration. It's pretty much what the whole IAM is based around. Obviously the IPSCA acronym is I for information, the information you provide and the information you get back while looking further ahead and further afield and stuff like that, to make a decision on what line you're going to take. Generally they like you to, on the right hand bends, stick to the left hand side, so it gives you a better view of what's coming. Right hand bends, well, it goes without saying, you stick to the right hand side so you give you a better view. On a straight bit of road, generally sit in the middle of the road. Well, not in the middle of the road obviously, but in the middle of your side of the road. Speed, obviously not breaking speed limits. Oh sorry, P was the position, road position. S is speed. Gear, being in the right gear for the situation you're in. And A being obviously acceleration at your corners, or acceleration on overtakes and stuff like that. It's just all about being safer, looking ahead and like this, making sure I see this car way back there, making sure we're going to pull out on me and stuff like that. So I think it's well worth doing, and I would recommend it. But what I would recommend is doing the police bike safe course first. That course is only 50 quid, it's a day with a police biker. Generally what you do is do a theory lesson with the police, and then they organise a ride with them, and you go out for, I think it's half a day's riding with them, and they pretty much teach you the basics, if you like, of IPSCA and stuff like that. So it's well worth doing that first. It'll give you a bit of an idea of whether you want to go down the IAM route or whether you think that's just good enough, because in my opinion the IAM is just extended version of that police bike safe course. And obviously get a certificate at the end to say you're advanced rider. That supposedly gives you discounts on insurance and stuff like that, so I'm yet to find that bit out, but because I've actually just done my insurance before I passed my test, so that was annoying, but there we go. So we're in a town, quite built up town, and obviously the exhaust is louder as expected, but not obnoxiously loud, which is good. Told you traffic would be crap. Sorry, I was talking about IAM, weren't I? Yeah, so basically, yeah, in a nutshell, I would recommend the IAM. It's a good course. You do sort of learn more on top of the bike safe course I was talking about, but I do understand it's a lot of money, and you know, some people haven't got 170 or 179 £, whatever it is. The dashboard is telling me that my battery in my key is dying, but I've just changed the battery. That's annoying. Rightio guys, anyway, that's probably going to be about it. It was only a little video to give you a sound check on the new exhaust. Obviously I'll give you more information after I've been riding the bike a little bit longer. Currently I love it. I love the bike, I love the exhaust, I love everything about the whole lot. So I'm well chuffed now. We'll see what happens with this anti-tampering law that supposedly might be coming in. I just really hope it's on new bikes that are built and not bikes that are already been purchased, because that will be really annoying. So I hope you like the video guys. I hope you like the sound of the exhaust. Not sure what my next video is going to be just yet. I've got a few ideas, but just waiting to see really. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I will catch you on the next video. Catch you later.